Hey guys, this is gonna be a little update video for a video I made last year where I showed how to run wires, and I got my vacuum line through the firewall back there because back then I wasn't able to get anything really through these grommets. There's one on this side and also one on the other, so I put my vacuum line through the side right here. But now I found a way. I used a very thin screwdriver, taped my wires to it, and then I sprayed it with just some normal universal oil. You can use WD-40 or anything else, and which then makes this slide through there a dozen times easier. And then I don't know if you might be able to see it back there. Try to use my flashlight. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. You can see back there, you can see, yeah, back there, down there you can see my little screwdriver peeking through. And then you can just use your pliers and really pull it out. So yeah, thanks for watching.